I present to you Asterisk, a new revolution in gaming since the dawn of man. We have struggled to understand ourselves, to know what we are. We sit idle without purpose until the invention of gaming. Never before have you been able to explore such an interesting solar system until Asterisk. And now feast your eyes on the first ever public alpha release. It's glorious. Just look at that parallax. This is multiplayer right now on a server hosted in New Jersey. Anybody can connect in a shared world and experience the same game. I think that the server will crash if too many people play stuff. So if you do that, that's fine, but it is kind of funny. It should automatically restart in 30 seconds. What's this? We zoom out and there's something over there. There's something orbiting the sun. I'm sure you're curious, but you have to find out for yourself what's over there and what this question mark can mean. In today's playtest, in a couple hours, a trailer will drop along with an invite link to a Discord where you can download the game and play it. We've got solar panels. We've got a medbay block. You get inside this thing to refuel your jetpack. We've got batteries up the wazoo. You're not allowed to hurt other people. No PvP. You can't build a giant ship and like crash it into somebody else's and cause problems. Is that my dead body? That shouldn't happen. I think, is that somebody else? Did somebody join? Or is that like a bug? What? This is unscripted reality TV. I don't know what this like second player is. I think I might have forgotten to delete dead bodies. Like when you die. Yeah, look at that. They're still floating around. That means that like there's going to be like infinity dead bodies in the server. Like as the game goes on, that's a problem. Well, I'll fix that before the trailer drops today. It's mysterious. Let's build a ship really quick to go and explore over to where those floating dead bodies are. I've accidentally killed myself trying to build a ship, but I just randomly encountered another one of the floating dead bodies. It's kind of creepy. It's like, hello, random. I guess that's another dead body generated. Oh shit, the ship I was trying to build, it's back. Gotta get to it. Oh my gosh. No time for caution. There's so much space debris. Space debris is like a problem. It's going to lag the server. This red circle is there to kill everything that gets too far away from the sun. Like if you build a ship that just starts floating away. Astrology and race essentialism are basically the same thing. Like if we draw a Venn diagram, okay, sure, one of them is very like evil and like bad, right? It's like Nazi shit. And the other one is just like girls or something. I don't know what those are. All of my subscribers are male. 25 to 34 years old. If you're 34 years old watching my channel, hello. I don't know how you found me or what you're interested in. Maybe space, but I hope you use your 34-year-old level of money to subscribe to my Patreon now that you've had some time playing the game of life. You've accumulated some gold. Why not invest in something that makes you happy, like this space game? But these are the same thing. They both describe like an essence that people have, right? It's like, oh, she's a Libra, she's toxic. And then, oh, like something racist. You know what I mean? It's the same thing. And then like we measure it, right? The eggheads pull out their graphs and charts. And they're like, there's nothing there. We did the data. Like this is what the charts look like. There's no astrology. There's no race essentialism. It's just not true. They don't listen. They just keep thinking that like because Mars is overhead, that means they're going to get in a car crash. You got to focus on like what's true because what's true is effective. And you probably care about effectiveness. We need like a marketable slogan for this game. Like a 1 or 2 sentence description of what it is. That's like interesting. Okay, what do you do in this game? You explore, build, troll, and fight. Design? Okay, how do we put this in a sentence that's like about space kind of? Okay, what do you explore? A rich world. No, a rich universe. Explore a rich universe. Relics of an ancient civilization. Build and design spaceships to fight, collaborate with, or troll your friends. Unravel the mysteries of the galaxy with engineering might. This is how we will get the Patreon with this pitch. I kind of have a feeling that like it's going to be like $0 for a long time. That's fine because it's going to be like this, but not in 3D. We had a troll in the comments yesterday. Somebody suggesting that the art style, that it should be vector art, not pixel art. We listen to consumer feedback and we improve from the ideas and thoughts of others. So I redid all the game art with vector art. And then I went back to the comment section and another troll said they liked the style. So then I switched everything back to how it is and we're right where we started. It's like this, bro. What am I supposed to do? What do you want from me? Already in the game, there's a lot of box types. We got 1, 2, 4, 9 different types of boxes. And it's getting kind of hard to like select which one you want on a keyboard, right? Because your fingers only have access to like the top 5 numbers. This is a game where there's going to be like 50, like 100 different types of blocks over time, right? Like there's going to be a lot of variety of like box types. You know, so I look at that number, right? It's too big. There needs to be a way to like select. In Minecraft, they have like the big palette and then like your toolbar, right? But the categories don't really make any sense, right? It's just kind of like everything. And then redstone, but then like railroad tracks, like there's just like way too much shit here, none of their shit here. So you end up like manually typing and searching for the block you want to build, right? I think that's fine in a game like Minecraft, which is pretty chill, especially in creative mode. But this game is very tense. Like you're like, ooh, I want to build a ship or something. It's like, okay, let's start building, start placing stuff. Like as you start to build your ship, it can get really tense. Like it starts flying away. It's like, oh, quickly, I need a battery, and I need like a med bay. I need to get in and recharge my energy. So you need to be able to quickly like pick which block to build from a menu of like, let's say 20 or 30 blocks. Like a grid is just not the way to do this. I think it should be a wheel. Like the like CS:GO like inventory wheel like this, where it's like bruh, power, weapon. You know what I mean? And then you like hover your mouse over the type. And then there's like more shit here, maybe. I'm not really sure how the flow should work. Maybe it like opens another wheel for all the different thrust blocks. Maybe wheel isn't the way to go, actually. It is kind of like janky. Maybe it should be like same thing as a wheel where you have like categories and then subcategories and subcategory. And you can just go bam, bam, bam and like click which one you want. But just arranged horizontally like this. So instead of like this, it's like something like this, right? Like power, energy, thrust. And then you click, like you click which one. It's got maybe some details like under each thing. But anyways, the alpha's out. I'm releasing the trailer. And an hour or two from this video releasing, the trailer will be out along with a Discord link to join. You join the Discord and then you can play the game. I'll see you guys there. Like and subscribe.